लोग पूछते कि क्या कर रही है निमृत, क्या कर रही है, क्या वो आपको थोड़ा हैसल कर रहा था, वो थॉट प्रोसेस? हैव यू फॉरगिवन प्रियंका अंकित फ्रॉम योर हार्ट? शालिन बनोत।
शालीन यार, इट्स हिलेरियस। हाय, मैं हूँ निमृत कौर आलूवालिया और मैंने करी है ढेर सारी दिल से बातें विद सिद्धार्थ कानन। तो जाइए उनके यूट्यूब चैनल पर जाइए, इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए।
निमृत, मैं हमेशा विश्वास करता हूं कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी हो, बट वो खतरा तभी झेल सकते हैं जब आप लाइफ के खतरे झेल सकते हो, राइट?
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी
वो
ट्रू।
पावर अंदर से आती है।
बिल्कुल।
सो इफ यू लुक बैक आपके करियर में या आपके लाइफ में,
या
जब वो 2-3 इंस्टेंसेस थे जो आपने कहा निमृत ये टफ था,
राइट।
बट यू नो व्हाट, मैंने बाउंस बैक किया,
या
एंड दैट इज गोना गिव मी करेज फॉर दिस शो टू। वो
Right.
कौन से मोमेंट्स हैं?
Like you said, Kanan, I think growth only happens when you have uncomfortable situations that you go through. You know, you can never sit in comfort and grow. And I think I've had ample number of them. Yeah. Say for example, in terms of risk taking, I think I've always been that. Post pageantry, just the choice of doing a show like Choti Sardani, which a lot of people were reluctant to do, you know, because the script demanded this girl to be pregnant before marriage and, you know, have kids and have a baby bump on the poster. So I feel like even in that moment, which was a very tricky moment, I made sure to gather the courage and say that yes, I'm ready to do this, you know. So I took that challenge heads on. Then दूसरा अगर मैं देखूँ तो you know, you've known जो what my situation with mental health has been. उस समय पर when मेरा you know state of mind wasn't the best, तब भी एक reality show को एक heads on तरीके से लेना, that I think was one instance. और उसके बाद कहूँ तो आई थिंक ज़िंदगी में ना नो बोलना सबसे ज़्यादा कठिन है और सब्र करना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है। और पिछले 1 साल में अगर मैं कहूँ तो मैंने सब्र का मतलब बहुत डीपली समझा है। सो इट हैज़ टू बी दैट।
हमारा पूरा बिजनेस जो है इकोसिस्टम रहता है परसेप्शन पे, राइट?
Right.
आई नो यू वर्कड हार्ड, दैट मींस इट्स नॉट कम आउट, राइट?
Right.
तो कभी कभार जब लोग पूछते कि क्या कर रही है निमृत, क्या कर रही है, क्या वो आपको थोड़ा हैसल कर रहा था, वो थॉट प्रोसेसेस?
Not at all.
ऑनेस्टली
Not at all. Not at all. I think मैं एक ऐसी इंसान हूँ who is very in sync and aware of my reality. I'm not a delusional person. अगर आप मुझसे पूछे कि मेरी strengths क्या हैं, मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ। मेरी weaknesses क्या हैं, मैं बता सकती हूँ। What is it that I can kill at, मैं बता सकती हूँ। तो करियर मेरा है, जर्नी मेरी है, लोगों का काम है कहना। I don't feed off from the energy of wanting to be a celebrity or feeding off from the energy that, oh, people know me. No, my identity for me has always been that I'm an actor and I would love to just be known as that. So when the occasion arises, I meet people. When the occasion arises, I talk about myself and I feel like समय समय पे ही बात करनी चाहिए, ताकि जब आप मुझसे मिले तो आपके पास भी कुछ नया हो मेरे से पूछने के लिए। शायद यू नो देयर शुड बी समथिंग फ्रेश, एंड एज एक्टर्स हमें कॉन्स्टेंटली इवॉल्व करना पड़ता है। तो आई थिंक ये जो पिछला 1 साल गया है, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, मैं बहुत अच्छे लोगों से मिली हूँ, मैंने बहुत कुछ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस करा है, विच आई ऑनेस्टली कांट वेट टू टॉक अबाउट। आई एम you know in some time I'll be able to say that okay, in my head I've arrived.
कैन आई टेल यू वन थिंग? मैं बहुत मानता हूँ ये, एंड आई एम बीइंग वेरी कैंडिड ऑन कैमरा, कि मैं बहुत से लोगों से मिलता हूँ, राइट? और वो दिखना ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं देन देयर वर्क डूइंग द टॉकिंग।
Yeah.
So it's very refreshing to find someone who wants to let her work do the talking than just being seen.
Thank
So
you.
I like that.
Thank
That is
you.
a sign of being fearless
Thank
and
you.
not sucking up to societal or audience pressures, right?
Yeah.
आपने एक बहुत solid बात कही. I know my strengths, I know my limitations. आपकी ताकत क्या है, no holds barred, और आपकी limitation क्या है?
I think मेरी ताकत definitely has to be my not giving up attitude. I have fallen, I have gotten up, I have I am so passionate about just being an actor, you know. um, अपने 5 साल की पूरी ज़िंदगी को छोड़ के आना आसान नहीं है. मैं आई क्यों थी? क्योंकि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी. तो वो जो क्राफ्ट के लिए प्यार है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो अगर आप मुझे बोलें कि निम्रत डिक्शन पे काम करनी है, निम्रत शिल आवाज़ है, इसको बेहतर करना है, या निम्रत इस टेक में ना मज़ा नहीं आया, I can take constructive criticism very positively if I can see that it's for my benefit. So I'm not delusional and I don't give up. I never give up. And I'm super proud of myself for that. और अगर वीकनेस की बात कहूँ तो सच में शायद वीकनेसेस कुछ पहले थी. बहुत जल्दी इमोशनल हो जाना, दिल पे चीज़ें लगा लेना. That has been a flaw. But like I said, I think in the last 1 year I've also become so spiritually aligned. It's such a beautiful feeling, Karan, when you reach that place where you're like, when you can look at yourself in the mirror and say ki I am feeling validated by my own self, not by what people are saying, you know. And I'm so harsh on myself क्योंकि मेरी खुद से इतनी expectations हैं. तो to be able to fulfill that in my own eyes, to find respect in my own eyes, that's been what a crazy journey. I can't tell you. हम इसके बारे में ज़रूर बात करेंगे, you know, of how spiritually being aligned can really center you.
कभी बार कहते हैं जब आप अपने आप पर हाश होते हो, it happens with actors, it happens with reality
All
show
of us,
contestants.
all of
We're
us.
harsh, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because हमको लगता है यार, yeah, but sometimes it's not easy on the head.
Yeah.
वो आप पे बहुत tough हुआ होगा head पे to be harsh on yourself,
Correct,
right?
correct.
उससे बाहर कैसे निकली? जब आप कहते हो कि now you look at yourself, you say, okay निमृत, ठीक नहीं हुआ, but
It's
still okay.
You know, Karan, I realized when you're chasing a particular goal, and like you said, noise बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, right? दिख क्यों नहीं रही है, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा. To be able to cut the noise and say कि वो मेरा goal है और every day I will put in my best foot forward. I have realized so deeply how important जो consistently हम बोलते नहीं कि consistency ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप जितने भी successful लोगों को उठा के देख लीजिए, उन्होंने consistently मेहनत करी है. तो consistency जब आप जीवन में ले आते हैं ना, then आप fearless हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि आपको पता है that okay, मेरा intention है अपना रोज़ 100% देना, सच में, you know. So and I have to give this credit to this system, like this thought process also, to my fitness journey. You know, I started MMA, I started CrossFit, started training with an athlete, with CrossFit athletes. I started training with some MMA fighters who are, you know, competing at international level. And when you're training under these people, you realize that there is so much to learn in that 1 hour of training about yourself and what a true mindset needs to be.
कहा जाता है जैसे रियलिटी शोज में खतरों के खिलाड़ी हो, you meet a lot of people become friends. Big Boss में भी you meet a lot of friends.
Yeah.
The Mandali group, right?
Yeah.
साजिद खान, सुम्बुल, आप, शिव ठाकरे, MC Stan, अब्दू. और कहते कि एक बार रियलिटी शो खत्म हो जाता है, couple of weeks and months बाद, everyone's gone. That means that relationship is actually not true, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ रियलिटी शो का था.
Correct.
Do you agree with that?
I mean, it depends on you, how you are as a person. I mean, I'm very much in, you know, friends with all of them even today.
आप लोग अभी भी टच में हो?
बिल्कुल.
Like as a gang?
As a gang, yes. बातचीत होती है. तो ये तो इंसान की इंटेंशन पे डिपेंड करता है ना, कि आपका इंटेंट क्या है, कि आप उस रिश्ते से कुछ हासिल करना चाहते हैं या आप बस होकर खुश हैं. It speaks volumes about people. And I'm someone, if I'm your friend, then I'm your friend. But if I'm not, then I'm not.
तुम्हारे ये मंडली गैंग genuinely friends for life था?
Pretty much, क्योंकि आप देखिए ना, of course, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप रोज कॉल कर रहे हैं, but to keep updated with each other's life every month, you know, कोई कब फ्री हुआ, किसी को कॉल कर लिया, कोई कभी किसी के घर चला गया, on of course convenience basis, right? But that's been the case. It really has.
Abdu is getting married, yeah?
I know, I'm so happy for him.
बुलाया कि नहीं?
देखो, I think marriage is something which is pretty intimate, so I don't even expect to like be a part of something. It should be about, you know, like close family, her side of the family, his side of the family. But I'm very happy for him. Yeah, I think he's, मतलब जीवन का एक बहुत ही important part होता है अपना companion ढूंढना, and I'm very happy for him.
How nice.
Yeah.
पर तब भी यार निमृत है यहाँ पे, अब्दू दोस्त है यार, बुला ले मेरे दोस्त, है कि नहीं? You'd be
No, no.
happy to be a part of it, right?
Yeah, but I'm going to Romania now. How will I be a part of it?
तो अब्दू और उसकी वाइफ को वहां बुला लेना।
हाँ, I think this is something you should pitch to Colors. Maybe we should do this.
जिसकी शादी हो, especially अब्दू और वाइफ, बुला दो वहां पे।
Yeah, we'll
Right.
celebrate.
Have you known any of these contestants closely जो आ रहे हैं?
No, I think the only person I've bonded as such with is with Aditi, is because we traveled together for a visa. बाकी of course सबसे hi hello all of that. वो भी अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हुई है. But not that I know someone personally, नहीं.
देखो, एक होता है सांप जो अब शायद खतरों में मिलेंगे,
हम्म,
और एक होता है रियल लाइफ सांप,
जो बहुत
ह्यूमन
मिलते
बीइंग्स,
हैं, जो हर थोड़ी देर में मिलते हैं.
हर थोड़ी देर में
Yeah.
आते हैं इंसानों के रूप में।
Yeah.
आपने बहुत ऐसे सांपों को फेस किया है बिजनेस में,
बिजनेस में, यू नो, कॉलेज में, हर आई थिंक हर जगह ही आपको मिलते हैं ना. लाइक हर कोई आपके लिए अच्छा चाहे ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, एंड दैट इज लाइफ. यू विल ऑलवेज, इट्स वेरी difficult and hard to find people who are genuinely connected to you, who genuinely love you, and that is okay. I wouldn't call other people samp. No, they're not samp. They're just not connected to you, so they are not bothered about you. Simple.
नहीं, बट देयर आर सम जो कहते हैं अरे यार ये है निमृत इतना अच्छा कर रही है, डसो। You met people like that and they've hurt you?
I think I've been always shielded by Vaiguru. Really, I don't let it get to me anymore.
ऊपर वाले ने शील्ड किया, और पेरेंट्स ने भी शायद।
Yes, but सबसे पहले उन्होंने.
Spirituality जरूरी होता है when it comes to fitness, reality
Yeah,
shows like
yeah,
Khatro.
yeah.
It's not only about this, it's about this, right?
It is all about this.
Have you forgiven Priyanka, Ankit from your heart?
I don't think there is anything to forgive, you know. Siddharth, I feel like we were all a part of a show where everybody had to do their part. In terms of, you know, it's a reality show, it's a content driven show, and everybody has to behave in a certain way. But I don't have any grudges against either one of them, and I wish both of them luck, yaar. I think सबको जीवन में सफलता मिले. That should be the case, because all of us are working very hard. All of us have dreams. All of us have come from very simple families trying to make it big, yeah. So I wish success to both of them and to everybody in general. मैं तो बोलती हूँ सबका भला हो, मेरा भी भला हो, सबका भला हो.
How nice. It's so good to observe life from another camera.
Yes.
And say जो हुआ that was momentarily.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. Yeah.
अगर दोनों आए as wild cards खतरों में,
It's
would you
great.
embrace them?
Oh, definitely. I would definitely embrace them. And yeah, I mean, I think with time, no, you should let go of certain things, because obviously यार आप एक शो का हिस्सा थे. अभी जीवन में क्लीन स्लेट से चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप ग्रजेस होल्ड करके ना, you become a bitter person. Not needed.
कभी कभार होता है when you go through reality shows, tough moments like Priyanka, Ankit के साथ हुआ. Do you feel sometimes it's important to pick up the call and say जो हुआ and communicate that, or just let it be? Have you tried to communicate उसके
No, I
बाद?
haven't tried to communicate. That is something, no. Frankly, I think we all are busy in our own lives. I already have a set of very, like most of my friends, हम वो industry से है भी नहीं, you know. And I like that life of mine. That there is a very sacred part of my life which is very personal to me, and I prefer that. I barely have any industry friends. I don't.
क्यों ऐसे? क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि
जो हैं वो हैं. मतलब मेरे शो से जो मेरे आई रिमेंबर Amal, he used to play my big brother. मेरे दो छोटे भाई, you know, in the show, Abhishek, Abhiyanshu, the girl who played my bhabhi in the show, Anita ji. Like all of these people are people that, you know, I'm in touch with. Whether it was my, you know, other co-stars, like Mahir, he's such a great friend of mine from the show, and these are all people I've picked up from the industry only. There are very limited number of them, and I'm fine with that. Quality over quantity any day.
I agree ना?
Yeah.
And with passing of time सिर्फ 2-3 दोस्त होने चाहिए, बस काफी है रे भाई.
Correct.
है
तो
ना?
आपकी बात समझ जाए, मतलब ज्यादा मेहनत ना करनी पड़े. They should get you.
बाकी लोगों को मैं बोलता टाइम ड्रेनर्स. देखो
Yes.
TDs.
That's a new term. I'm going to use it.
Time drainers.
Yeah,
You're a
yeah.
time drainer.
Goodbye.
I don't have time. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
But क्या मंडली के दोस्तों ने आपको विश किया कि go for it?
Yeah.
They messaged you?
I remember Farah ma'am के channel के लिए we shot also for her YouTube channel. I think she should put it up soon. So everyone was very happy. They were all like कि बहुत अच्छा है कर रही है, you should go for it, and you know you seem mentally also more ready, physically also more fit. You should definitely go for it. They were very happy.
The fact that आपने mental depression के बारे में बात किया,
Mm-hmm.
I feel it requires a lot of courage, right?
Yeah, it does.
That is as good as maybe even better than being on ground doing stunts, because that is
Thank you.
showing courage. I really mean that, right? बहुत कम लोग बोलते हैं. But do you regret कि वो शो में आपने बोला था कि नहीं?
No, not at all. Because मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ कनन मुझे कितने लोगों के messages आए हैं of people who are going through the same thing. कितने मेरे ऐसे जो लोग you know जो fans हैं या कुछ है जो मुझसे जुड़े हैं उस शो के थ्रू, मैंने उन लोगों को अपने you know psychiatrist का नंबर तक recommend किया है. Yeah, so it's nice because I think जिस तरह की lifestyle में हम जी रहे हैं जहाँ stress levels इतने ज़्यादा high हैं, I think irrespective of what your which profession you come from, we're all combating something or the other. And it's very important to take therapy, yaar, irrespective of whether you have anxiety issues or not. You need to have a neutral outlet to life. You should talk about it and vent it.
Last segment, Sid K Kangar.
Oh my God.
What comes to your mind when I say Asim Riaz or Dil Se Boliye?
I don't know him.
But you must have heard of him. Like, I'll tell you what. Asim Riaz, Siddharth Shukla, the biggest rivals
Yeah.
in the history of Big Boss.
Yeah, I'd entered the show that time to promote my show, I remember.
Ji. And we obviously, you might not be close to him, but you know of him, right?
Yeah.
What comes to your mind?
Let's see. I hope he is a good partner to do stunts with, yeah.
Abhishek.
Again, this season though I did not even see. But say, I think he comes across as a very fun person from what I've seen on social media snippets.
Krishna Shroff.
I interacted with Krishna actually. I'm actually looking forward. I think I'm all for like, यार बहुत हो गया लड़के हमेशा ट्रॉफी लेके जाते हैं, you know. I think this time the girls need to really show the boys.
Boss, I
Make
got
boys
two baby
cry.
girls.
Yes.
All for girl power.
Yes.
Shalin Banoth.
Shaleen, yaar, it's hilarious. I mean, I'm just like, he came in and you know we met after so long. He's fun, yaar. He's in his own dhun. I like it. It's
Own dhun mane.
he is in his own. I love his energy in that sense. You know, उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वो अपने ही दुनिया में बहुत मगन है. Sumona, see, we have all seen Kapil Sharma, you know, so I've like literally seen her, loved what she's done. And yeah, I think she's also someone who's mentally very strong, I think. I feel so.
I really wanted to see you in LSD too. क्या हुआ?
क्या हुआ यार? Destiny? Destiny?
But I wish you the very best.
Thank you so